Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here from AG Dillon & Co. Revolut announces a huge new customer total. Epic Games pays a fine to the FTC, and 2 startups post down rounds. Yikes. All this for the week ending December 16, 2022. All right, large pre-IPO company news first. Revolut, the European-based challenger bank, announced that it has 25 million customers as of November 2022. This is up from 20 million in July of 2022. That's a 25% increase in just 4 months. It's incredible. The company also announced that it has 500,000 customers in the US, so most of the 25 million are in Europe. But as a comparison, Chase has 66 million customers, so that's 25 million for a company that's only founded 9 years ago. That's just incredible growth, really good. Revolut has plans to launch in Brazil, India, Mexico, New Zealand, and several other countries in Latin America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East to continue the growth. Revolut last raised in July of 2021 at a $33 billion valuation. Epic Games, the video game and metaverse software company, paid $520 million this week to the FTC to settle allegations that it illegally collected children's personal information and tricked people into making purchases. Epic Games says they've resolved all these issues now for a couple years. The FTC is cracking down on gaming companies. It recently filed a complaint against Microsoft for its $69 billion bid to acquire Activision. They want to kill that deal. One bit of positive news for Epic Games: their Unreal Engine business rolled out a new MetaHumans application recently. Developers can use Unreal Engine for free and share revenue revenue earned back on the applications back with Epic. MetaHumans allows creators to use highly realistic human characters in any way imaginable. It includes MetaHuman Creator, a free cloud-based app that enables anyone to create fully rigged photorealistic digital humans in minutes. I watched a few YouTube videos this past weekend of developers scanning their own faces and uploading into MetaHumans. It took minutes, and they could talk into their phones, and their avatar would speak on the computer. It was wild. These photorealistic avatars are going to be a real game changer for the metaverse, in my opinion. Massive amounts of applications. And I'll bring you more of my thoughts on photorealistic avatars in January 2022. Chime, the US-based challenger bank, made an unsuccessful bid to buy DailyPay this week. Chime's $2 billion offer was rejected. The offer was 35% cash, 65% stock. DailyPay offers on-demand paychecks. Employees can get paid in real time versus waiting until the end of the week or every 2 weeks. DailyPay last raised in May of 2021 at a $1.17 billion valuation. So this offer could have locked in a 71% valuation increase in a period where broader pre-IPO stocks are just getting crushed. The M&A attempted to show the power of these large pre-IPO companies. They're so big that they're starting to have their own VC funds and are acquiring companies too. All right, a few notable capital raises for the week. Synk is a code testing solution for developers. Developers can use Synk to find vulnerabilities in their code and to get fixes in fast, avoid security breaches. And the company achieved a 100% year-over-year increase in revenue, as well as net revenue retention of over 130% in 2022. They had rapid customer adoption to more than 2,300 customers, including AB InBev, Comcast, Dun & Bradstreet, Manulife, and Salesforce. Synk was named to CNBC's 2022 top startups for enterprise and is also number 20 on the Forbes Cloud 100 list. The company raised a $197 million Series G at a $7.4 billion valuation. This was a 14% down round from their Series F back in January of 2022. And Dataiku, which I hope I'm pronouncing that right, helps companies build, deploy, and manage artificial intelligence applications. They have the who's who of customers: GE, Unilever, Merck, Schlumberger, Fifth Third Bank, Sephora, for example. And in 2022, the company grew its customer base above 500, including 150 of the world's largest enterprises, surpassed 150 million in annual recurring revenue, and received numerous industry awards, such as being on the Forbes Cloud 100, the Forbes AI 50, Inc. Best in Business, and Snowflake's Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence Partner of the Year. Dataiku raised $204 million Series F at a $3.7 billion valuation, down 21% from Series E in August of 21. You can see both of these companies have great businesses, and they're still raising at lower valuations. So I expect to see more of this like down round type activity happening into 2023. And three more for you real quick. Sender, that's SENNDER, is a digital freight platform, raised $63 million at a $2.1 billion valuation. Master control and manufacturing execution system hit unicorn status with a raised value in the company at $1.3 billion. Beamery and enterprise talent management system also at unicorn status with a $1 billion valuation for its Series D round. All right, visit agdillon.com for more pre-IPO stock research. This week in pre-IPO stocks, a part of AG Dillon & Co., a venture capital asset manager. Give me a shout to learn how you can invest in pre-IPO stocks through our venture capital funds built specifically for individuals and financial advisors. And also check out our weekly webinar. So subscribe to that. Thanks so much.